ఈరోజు మనం 8th క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంకి సంబంధించి రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ చాప్టర్లో క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీ అండర్ ఎడిషన్, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్, డివిజన్ చూద్దాం. టుడే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు discuss about closure property under addition for rational numbers. Okay. Closure law for rational numbers. First one under addition. Now check here. Already we know the closure property. What is closure property? Sum of two rational numbers is also a rational number. Then we can say it satisfies the closure property. Already we discussed closure property for whole numbers and integers in previous one. Now today we are discussing about rational numbers. For example, you may take any two rational numbers. For example, I take 3/2 and a 4/5. Okay. Now I take these two. These two are rational numbers. This symbol is belongs to. This symbol is belongs to. This symbol belongs to చదవాలి. Q means rational numbers. 3/2 and 4/5 belongs to Q. I sum up these two. You may observe what we get. We sum up these two. 3 5s are 15. 15/10 plus 4 2s are 8. 8/10. Finally, what we get? 15 plus 8. 23/10. You may observe here what we taken 3/2 and 4/5. These two are rational numbers. Q means rational numbers. For what we get for the addition, we sum up these two rational numbers. Finally, what we get? 23/10. Here 23 is a integer and 10 is also an integer. Hence 23/10 is also, we can say 23/10 is in the form of P/Q. Hence it is also a rational number. That means we take two rational numbers, sum of those two. Finally, what we get? A rational number. Hence we can say under addition, the rational numbers are closed. Under addition, the rational numbers are closed. That means here we can define A plus B is a rational number. For any two rational numbers A plus B, that means this one. A plus B is a rational number for any two rational numbers, this one and this one. A comma B, A comma for all A comma B belongs to Q. That implies A plus B also a rational number. That means also it belongs to Q. If A comma B belongs to Q, A plus B also belongs to Q. A plus B is a rational number for any two rational numbers A and B. Then A comma B also belongs to Q. Okay, like that. ఇప్పుడు మనం సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ లో కూడా ఈ రెండు తీసుకుందాం లేదా వేరే రెండు. యూ టేక్ ఎనీ టూ రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్. I will continue with the previous rational numbers. Now we check is it satisfy the subtraction or not. Here we take 3/2 and 4/2. Subtraction means minus. So you take subtraction symbol minus. 3/2 minus 4/5. Hence here also you may write minus symbol. 15/10 minus 8/10. 15 minus 8, that is 15 minus 8, that is 7. Now here you check 3/2 is a rational number, 4/5 is a rational number. We take these two rational numbers, we take the subtraction between these two. Finally what we get? 7/10. That means 7 is an integer and the denominator 10 is also an integer. That means it is in the form of p/q. That means it is 7/10 is a rational number. That means under subtraction the rational numbers are closed. That means under subtraction the rational numbers are closed. So here you write a minus b is a rational number for any two rational numbers a and b. For all a comma b belongs to q, that implies a minus b also belongs to q. That means once again I conclude it. Under subtraction the rational numbers are closed. That means satisfy the property of closure property. That means, for example, a comma b belongs to q. A minus b is also a rational number. Hence, it's satisfied the closure property under subtraction. That's enough. ఇప్పుడు రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ లో క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తాయా లేదా చూద్దాం. నౌ వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ ద closure property under multiplication. Is it satisfied or not? We will check it. I take previous rational numbers. You may take any two. Already I write that. If you does not like these two, you may take any two rational numbers. Here I take 3/2 and 4/5. But what is this operation multiplication? So you write multiplication symbol now. 3/2 into 4/5. So here what you get, you will check in the multiplication. 3/2 into 4/5 means here what you get, 3 4s are 12, 2 5s are 10. Otherwise 2 6 and 2 5, 2 6 and 2 5. That means what do you get? What we take? We take the 3/2 and 4/5. We multiply those two rational numbers. Finally, what we get? 6/5. Here you may observe 6 is an integer, 5 is also an integer, and this is in the form of p/q. When the numbers which are expressed in the form of p/q, then it is a rational number. Hence 6/5 is also a rational number. So here what to write? A into b. That means multiplication. A into b is a rational number for any two rational numbers a, b. That means for all a comma b belongs to q, that implies a into b is also a rational number. అంటే ఏవైనా రెండు ఏబీలు అనేవి ఏవైనా రెండు రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ అయితే వాటి యొక్క మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కూడా వచ్చేటటువంటి నెంబర్ కూడా ఒక రేషనల్ నెంబరే. హెన్స్ ఇట్ సాటిస్ఫై ద closure property under multiplication. Okay. Under division, now we check the closure property is satisfied under division or not. For example, we take any two rational numbers as previous one. You take any two rational numbers 2/3, 5/2, You take any two, whichever you like, belongs to Q. ఏవైనా రెండు రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకొని దాంట్లో డివిజన్ చేసి ఆ వచ్చేది రేషనల్ నెంబర్ అవుతుందా లేదా చెక్ చేద్దాం. నౌ we identify in the division, you take any two rational numbers and divide them, then you observe what we get. Then we get a rational number or doesn't. We check it. 2 by 3 division symbol divided by 5 by 2. We know that you write first one as usual. You write the on behalf of divided symbol, you write into and you write the reciprocal of its second rational number. That means 5 by 2 means 2 by 5. Then what you get? 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15. Here we take two rational numbers 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. We divide them. What you get? 4 by 15. 4 by 15 is a rational number. In this case, what we observe? We take two rational numbers and we divide them. We get a rational number. Hence, we may think in the division, the rational numbers satisfy the closure property. Is it right or not? We will check with another example. That is, you take first one as usual and you take second one. 0 by 2. Now you observe what happened. In this case, it satisfies the closure property or not. 2 by 3 divided by 0 by 2. That means already we know it. 2 by 3 divided on behalf of divided by symbol, we write the into symbol and we write the reciprocal of the second rational number, that is 2 by 0. 2 2s are 4, 3 zeros are 0. Now what do you say about 4 by 0? Now what do you say about 4 by 0? What type of number it is? Is it a rational number or not? What is our definition for rational numbers? The numbers which are expressed in the form of p by q, both p and q are integers. Here 4 is an integer, q is also an integer, but what is the value of this one? Is it divisible? There is 0 divided by 4, it's not possible. Hence, when you take 0 as an integer, and also we know the rational numbers definition, p and q are both are integers and the q is not equal to 0. That means the denominator must not be 0. When it is a rational number, the condition is both p and q are integers but q is not equal to 0. That means ఇక్కడ 0 డినామినేటర్లో ఉన్నటువంటి 0 అనేది ఉండకూడదు రేషనల్ నెంబర్ కావాలంటే డెఫినేషన్ ప్రకారం. సో 4 by 0 does not belongs to q. ఇట్లా కొట్టేస్తే does not belongs to, ఇలా రాస్తే belongs to అంటే 4 by 15 q లో ఉంటుంది అని ఇక్కడ 4 by 0 అనేది q లో ఉండదు అని రాసి కొట్టేస్తే దీన్ని ఏం చదువుతాం అంటే 4 by 0 does not belongs to q అని చదువుతాం. అంటే 0 కనుక ఉంటే ఈ సందర్భంలో రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ సాటిస్ఫై చేయటం లేదు క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీని. ఎందుకంటే 4 by 0 అనేది నాట్ డిఫైన్డ్, ఇది డివిజన్ చేయలేము కాబట్టి. హెన్స్ వాట్ డు యు సే ఫైనలీ? we conclude that the rational numbers are not closed in division. Finally we conclude that the rational numbers are not closed under division. When it is possible, excluding 0, excluding 0 in the rational numbers, excluding 0 in the rational numbers అంటే 0 లేకుండా అంటే 0 కాకుండా numbers remaining మిగిలినవన్నీ remaining are closed under division. Once again, I explain this one. One of the important key point here. The closure property under addition is closed, under subtraction is closed, under multiplication is closed. But in the division operation, we may observe when we take a 0 as an integer, or 0 as a rational number, then it is not satisfied. 2 by 3 is one number. 0 by 2 means 0. 0 by 2 means here 0. That means when we take one number as 0 in the rational numbers, then it is not satisfied the closure property. Hence, we may conclude that excluding 0 in the rational numbers, remaining are satisfied. That means closed under division. అంటే సున్నా తప్ప మిగిలిన అన్ని రేషనల్ నంబర్స్ కూడా క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తాయి. 0 1 మాత్రం సాటిస్ఫై చేయదు. మీరు టుడే I post this video in our group. You may observe thoroughly and you may do the fill in the blanks in page number 4 and 5 for closure property. That's enough.